The Skincare Bible by Dr. Anjali Mahto is a comprehensive guide to achieving great skin. In this book, Mahto draws on her years of experience as a dermatologist to provide practical advice on how to care for your skin. From understanding your skin type to identifying common skin concerns, Mahto's expert guidance will help you unlock your best skin yet. Chapter 1, Introduction. The first chapter of the book sets the stage by providing an overview of the importance of skincare. Mahto emphasizes that caring for your skin is not just about vanity, but is also an important aspect of overall health. She explains the various layers of the skin and the role they play in protecting the body. Mahto also dispels common skincare myths and explains the difference between medical-grade skincare products and over-the-counter products. Chapter 2, Understanding Your Skin Type. In this chapter, Mahto explains the different skin types and how to determine which type you have. She provides tips on how to care for each skin type and recommends specific products that are best suited for each type. Mahto also discusses the importance of hydration and explains how to determine if your skin is dehydrated. Chapter 3, Cleansing. Cleansing is an essential part of any skincare routine, and Mahto provides guidance on how to do it properly. She explains the different types of cleansers and recommends specific products for each skin type. Mahto also discusses the importance of double cleansing and provides tips on how to remove makeup effectively. Chapter 4, Exfoliation. Exfoliation is an important step in removing dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover. Mahto explains the different types of exfoliants and recommends specific products for each skin type. She also discusses the benefits and risks of physical exfoliants versus chemical exfoliants. Chapter 5, Moisturizing. Moisturizing is essential for maintaining healthy skin, and Mahto explains why. She discusses the different types of moisturizers and recommends specific products for each skin type. Mahto also provides tips on how to layer your moisturizers for maximum effectiveness. Chapter 6, Sun Protection. Sun protection is crucial for preventing skin damage and premature aging. Mahto explains the difference between UVA and UVB rays and discusses the various types of sunscreens. She also provides tips on how to choose the right sunscreen for your skin type and how to apply it properly. Chapter 7, Skincare Ingredients. There are countless skincare ingredients on the market, and it can be overwhelming to determine which ones are right for you. In this chapter, Mahto provides an overview of common skincare ingredients and explains their benefits and risks. She also discusses the importance of patch testing new products before incorporating them into your routine. Chapter 8, Common Skin Concerns. This chapter covers common skin concerns such as acne, rosacea, and hyperpigmentation. Mahto provides guidance on how to identify and treat these concerns, including specific product recommendations. She also discusses the role of diet and lifestyle in skin health. Chapter 9, Anti-Aging. Preventing and treating signs of aging is a common skincare goal, and Mahto provides guidance on how to do it effectively. She explains the different types of aging and the role of collagen in maintaining youthful skin. Mahto also provides tips on how to care for your skin as you age and recommends specific anti-aging products. Chapter 10, Skincare for Men. Skincare is not just for women, and Mahto provides guidance on how men can care for their skin effectively. She discusses the unique challenges that men face when it comes to skincare, such as shaving, and provides recommendations for specific products. Chapter 11, Skincare and Ethnicity. Skin type and concerns can vary greatly based on ethnicity, and Mahto provides guidance on how to care for skin based on different ethnicities. She discusses common concerns such as hyperpigmentation and provides specific product recommendations. Chapter 12, Skincare and Pregnancy. Pregnancy can bring about changes in the skin, and Mahto provides guidance on how to care for skin during this time. She discusses the safety of different skincare ingredients during pregnancy and provides recommendations for specific products. Chapter 13, Skincare and Aging Gracefully. In this chapter, Mahto provides guidance on how to age gracefully and embrace the natural changes that occur in the skin over time. She discusses the importance of self-care and provides tips on how to care for your mental health as well as your skin. Chapter 14, Building a Skincare Routine. Building a skincare routine can be overwhelming, and Mahto provides guidance on how to do it effectively. She provides a step-by-step guide on how to build a routine based on your skin type and concerns. Mahto also discusses the importance of consistency in a skincare routine. Chapter 15, Skincare Tips and Tricks. In the final chapter of the book, Mahto provides additional tips and tricks for achieving great skin. She discusses the benefits of facial massage and provides guidance on how to do it properly. Mahto also provides recommendations for at-home skincare treatments and discusses the importance of sleep and stress management in skin health. Overall, the Skincare Bible provides a comprehensive guide to achieving great skin. Mahto's expert guidance and practical advice make this book a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their skincare routine. In addition to providing guidance on skincare routines and products, Mahto emphasizes the importance of understanding the underlying science behind skincare. She explains the physiology of the skin and how different skincare ingredients can affect it. This knowledge empowers readers to make informed decisions about their skincare and understand why certain products may work better for them than others. Throughout the book, Mahto also emphasizes the importance of sunscreen as a crucial component of any skincare routine. She discusses the different types of sunscreen and provides recommendations for specific products. Mahto also debunks common myths about sunscreen and explains why it is essential for protecting the skin from damage and preventing premature aging. One unique aspect of the Skincare Bible is Mahto's focus on the psychological impact of skincare. She recognizes that skincare can be a form of self-care and provides guidance on how to approach skincare in a way that promotes positive mental health. She discusses the importance of avoiding comparisons and unrealistic beauty standards and encourages readers to embrace their natural beauty. Overall, the Skincare Bible is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their skin health. Mahto's expertise and practical advice make this book accessible to skincare beginners and experts alike. Whether you're struggling with acne, aging, or simply want to improve your overall skin health, the Skincare Bible is an excellent resource that provides comprehensive guidance and empowers readers to make informed decisions about their skincare. 7 Lessons Learned from this book. Sunscreen is essential. One of the most important lessons from the Skincare Bible is the importance of sunscreen. Mahto emphasizes that sunscreen is a crucial component of any skincare routine and provides guidance on the different types of sunscreen and how to choose the right one for your skin. Skincare is a form of self-care. Mahto recognizes that skincare can be a form of self-care and encourages readers to approach it in a way that promotes positive mental health. She discusses the psychological impact of skincare and provides guidance on how to approach it in a way that is healthy and empowering. Consistency is key. Building a consistent skincare routine is crucial for achieving great skin. Mahto provides a step-by-step guide on how to build a routine based on your skin type and concerns and emphasizes the importance of sticking to it. Understand the science behind skincare. Mahto emphasizes the importance of understanding the underlying science behind skincare. By understanding the physiology of the skin and how different skincare ingredients can affect it, readers can make informed decisions about their skincare. Skincare needs can vary based on ethnicity. Different ethnicities can have varying skincare needs, and Mahto provides guidance on how to care for skin based on different ethnicities. She discusses common concerns such as hyperpigmentation and provides specific product recommendations. Skincare needs can change during pregnancy. Pregnancy can bring about changes in the skin, and Mahto provides guidance on how to care for skin during this time. She discusses the safety of different skincare ingredients during pregnancy and provides recommendations for specific products. Aging gracefully is about self-care. Aging gracefully is not about trying to look younger but about embracing the natural changes that occur in the skin over time. Mahto provides guidance on how to care for your mental health as well as your skin and encourages readers to embrace their natural beauty. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by the countless skincare products and conflicting advice out there? Look no further than the Skincare Bible by Dr. Anjali Mahto. This comprehensive guide to great skin provides practical advice and evidence-based information to help you achieve healthy, glowing skin. With step-by-step guidance on building a skincare routine, understanding the science behind skincare, and tips for self-care and aging gracefully, this book is a must-read for anyone looking to improve their skin health. Click the link in the description to purchase the Skincare Bible today and take the first step towards achieving your best skin yet. If you found this book summary helpful and informative, please don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends and family who may benefit from the knowledge and advice provided in the Skincare Bible. By liking and sharing, you are helping to spread the word about this excellent resource for improving skin health. If you're interested in getting more book summaries in this category, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We regularly post summaries of the best books on health, wellness, and self-improvement, so you can stay up to date on the latest research and practical advice for living your best life. Thank you for your support.